Alright, in this video we are going to make a drawing of a part, or in this case an assembly. So the way we're going to do this, we have an assembly, or it could be a part. If you just have a part open, it's going to be the same kind of process. You've got a drawing of just the main body here. If I click on this first part, where it says part 1, if I right click on part 1, it goes to one of the options here is create a drawing of part 1 with an assembly. So where I've got the air skimmer all together, I need to look at assembly 1, and if I right click, or if you have a trackpad, you would 2-finger tap on the trackpad. You would go to create a drawing of assembly 1, and so when you click that, you're going to go to, you've got a couple options. You can go to a 4-view drawing and it will automatically build the drawing. So let's try that first, and it may take a minute to load. And the neat thing about this is when it completes, you've got all 4 of the views done. So you've got your orthographic, your front view, your top view, your right side view, and then you have an isometric view. What you need to add are dimensions. If somebody was going to build this from your plan, you would need the dimensions. So click the dimension tool, and you're not changing the size of anything, you're just adding the dimensions to show the true size of everything. So just select a number of these, pretty much everything you'd need to build it. So width, you're going to need to zoom way in on some of these. We can get like the overall height. If you select a part like a line and it's highlighted like what you want, you can just use that. But you might need to click like from this point and then go down and select your next point like to there, to show that that distance is 3 inches. And we're definitely going to want to add some dimensions to this. So like you've got your front scoop in place here, and your main body panel. You could show that the width of this cardstock that we used was 0.05 inches. And just kind of continue to add dimensions to this. You can go over to the right side, we can get kind of the overall length. And just kind of continue to add to this, like the height of this. Now if you notice, okay, so that's at 11.010. That's because the very front of this air scoop can't sit flat there, because it's the way it's attached. This part protrudes out a little bit. That's why we have that. It's a little more than 11 inches. We could actually, it might be more helpful if you right click on it and delete that dimension, and let's actually attach that to this line, and then go to the back edge, and now you notice that's 11 inches, just kind of like we had planned it. And then maybe add this dimension of 3 inches, and try to place the numbers so they're not overlapping and so forth. That's just helpful when you look at a plan. If the numbers are really close together, sometimes that can be difficult to read. You've got your title block. It should already have your name in it, the date, and so forth. If you double click on some of these entries, Then you can type, like if you wanted to title this, you could call it air skimmer. And then just click the green check. So you can add a title. And then this is what you're going to take a screenshot of for your drawing. But that's kind of the basics of how to get started with a drawing. There's a lot of other options you can explore with this, but those are going to be the basics. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.